So ISOKO man over to critics to you everybody. He get within I won't make us understand. Oh we soko areche warara. ISOKO person, they know they bury am for strange land. I won't make you understand this thing. Some of una fit say, when my papa die, now where will they stay now bury am? I will bury am for Bodoibo, I will bury am for this. Now we go decide where to bury my papa. Now we go decide where to bury my mama. I have the money, I can buy the land. I have the money, I can pay for this. I can die. It's so time I bury so person. This is when I bury my uncle. This is time when I bury my father. This is not where did anything happen? This is shut up. I say shut up. Fibo. When they talk about tradition, culture, if you don't know it, you keep quiet. Then you listen. It never happened to you, not me say, you know the work. Well, maybe, let's say, okay, maybe some communities or some families, but I want to tell you one or two story. As I did so, when I don't grow up so, I remember. It gets some people when we say for everyone they don't die for years, even when they never even born me self. Before I go see, they say they want to one burial. Why they not something for them? They say they want to one. I bet you. I said I tell you, I bet you. Oh, now say tiki. That one a tradition to me. I don't know how they do that, but I bet you when that's the thing, the person come bury. Maybe they don't bury am for one place. So you get the kind of traditional things when we say that they do, they can't do one. If it be stick like this, stick not even stick if not feel big pass like this, or maybe if it big, depends. But you get waiting that they do put, they can't reach. They get how they do one. The corpse go enter the stick, the stick like this. This thing when you pick easily, so you know if you carry out like that again. The way cups they heavy now, so the thing won't heavy. Just like when they carry cups from mortuary, they go as good bed, so it will be. Don't play with spiritual. Don't play with nature. Alright, say yes, say. So the way they do burial, so you will still do the burial. Many people I don't witness. People they don't bury for years. So that their grandchildren say great grand and then they do this. After they detect say now something is wrong somewhere. They begin they find, I go ask my mama. Everyone Nigerian. Now so I know we where or one. Are they kill canning? Maybe the girl now wife, the Erowa person now wife. The same na ISOKO, Erowa na from ISOKO, na be senior community in ISOKO. So when I talk, so I'm talking about ISOKO. Then I emphasize on my community. Man, I tell you, I'm my own community side day. There's some other communities who still day like that too. If na wife like me, as I did so, for instance, as I did so, me I be hero, I be woman. So if tomorrow now by the grace of God say I marry, then I live to old age, reach old age, then maybe God call me, I can't go. I can't buy my old age. Then my children can't decide, say they build house for me for somewhere. They won't come bury me for that side. Yeah? Or I build house for somewhere, they won't come back, all those kind of stuff. You know they work. If they do me I not be me the cause. That time, the ancestors will decide. You know they work. Now make you see say ISOKO person they I wish ISOKO te be more or I te be wrong more. Like you can't pay bed price. They pay bed price. Then they give you change. The change where they give you, so it mean many things. Some mean we not sell our pikin. Na marry we give you, make you marry am. We not sell am for you. Mommy, mazeko wori gbo. We not sell am for you as slave. Where are mama rogbo dibo? Where runye rabo mama yi? Where po mama re o? Ota bowe. Where yes so my. If it tire you, you bring her back to us. Not buy am. Not use am as slave. Then tomorrow say she live life for the old days. You go call her. You bring our thing back to us. If Paraventure say you want bury and take, you come meet the family. You relate with the family. If family agree with you, you can bury them. But even if the family agree for you, you can bury them for there. Depends on the person. How to call them? Depends on the person. Ancestors or is kind of his spirit, you know, a deity. If a deity not agree, if you don't bury him for there, after some years, guy, we're 10 years boy, you go return now back home. Be like, people don't know, they play. You they play. Now make I gist you one thing. He get one of my fans, some of them, they don't come to me several times. Like the matter don't come different way. Say, make I talk this thing out to, because this is the happen to some people, many people don't happen to them. Where they Bini. Also, like 4 fathers, 3 fathers. I mean 4 fathers, like they don't bury for that side. They live life for that side. But you know the one when they disturb so. Now the one they middle. Not be even the first one. Not be even this last one. Now the one they middle. Now they active so. He say, una bury my papa here. Una bury me here. My pikin still die. I see they bury my pikin for here. They tell una say I be Bini person. I not be Bini person. Yes, we so-called we migrate for Bini, but I not be Bini person. I be ISOKO person. Una gather mind. I die and my father died and I bury him for you. Based on me, I don't know. I can't die now and I still bury me for you. Buy now and bury me for you. Then my pikin still buy now and I still bury my pikin for you. Who does that? So now they try bring my food generation. I won't wipe out from ISOKO. I not go agree. Now begin the knack. Children when they're born, about 9 children. You don't buy 6. How many remain? You go ask how they tell no say na in they do the thing. No, you know why would you some people ask stupid silly questions. When they pass through challenges, if the challenge don't reach you for neck, you know go ask what is the apple. You know go find out, you know go run escata to find what is the apple. What you do we no? What on you one obefia? Katavowe, what atavowe, what atavo uzeme me na what any again uzeme me na. Now so they do. They got tell the system they saw. Atenya, they got to they go they find ISOKO. The man is see ISOKO finish. Now emevo make I tell you man, make sure the place name. And emevo tell me for a kwala. Aje be wale meva je kwale meva reno. Aje mozo they come begin they don't find the community now they begin to find the family. Not knowing that not the same name but different family. Hello. Aje lu ateto is your a family. I tell you go they come do how they do finish everything they do everything finish for deal. They come go they don't know say na wrong. Na wrong family neither. The thing still active. They say the thing not be not the same community, but different family. Oh, wahala! But I blame that family. That family is an idiot. When they know say they not get that kind of person, then they still go accept that kind of thing. Now so some people take the shop run, they die. So onya uja ro nugbelu na jo kwepelu guna. When you keke no are ne no we accept ke me na te igo ko what ni igo ni tire igo jana awo jawa are na e wan wepelu nye so wife akpori na they don't know. Now they still go find again they can't really see the real family. They got to go redo the thing again as the family instruct them. Could you believe that the land, that time, those days that they share land now, that they share, this kind. The land did it. You own so the papa pot of land, a big pot of land, about they speak the English. He did it. And not so serenity on that the thing and banana me block on a fear the way they take lay the foundation that time when it small. Everything still did here. They do feel almost for me because everybody begin they run. Yeah? Who is next now? No bet you who is next. So that they and when we the kids so now the people when we say they get money for the house. The breadwinners of the house now they buy. Any small man is gone. And they even they sick, they're not even they any small sick, any small thing man is a gone. Now so they take clear everything come off for ground. Now there is peace. The remaining ones when they are alive in each shock, Uzwazon, very okay. Now someone talks of left. And they see they talk about something like this for social media. Oh man, it don't happen to me, oh. He happened to me. Now he can't give me the full gist. As I tell you, say the person now don't come buy land for ISOKO You. If they build house for a community, that's in Yemevo. Still they find another, still buy another land for another community again for the ISOKO when they build. Meanwhile, they Benin, they live life for Benin. But at the time, say they come back home. That side now, you can in a business, you go for that side, but you home. You take bukane, you take you just say if you live in remaining brothers and sisters, they like me, they live their life for any other side where they like. That one at their own. He only they come back home because he know waiting the eye see. Guy, we ma bobi nuri yo ma nuri o ma ke ure fokere wo take bukane. We carry go buo. It's good when you travel. When you go outside, go hustle your hustle. Try, make you remember home. Remember where you come from. Remember where you come from. Kemi adeje. Ezoro. Aredia adenure kyoko. Utowo rewa wewo. Metan mereta ko wayo. Owisoko arikie ukane. Eba mevo wena owisoko arekie ukane weta ibono we bichi owisoko ukane ko were nya wolwana waregbe jiroro atero eko we were lue agbero eko we weje bonu no ga go bora weti road way inu we mi go jokero we mu aye we wo gere ke level jo oza ise bad I don't tell you, I'm your photoko, no arege. When we are in Anlu, Loi Manifono, I didn't like Rofuemu, Fuaro. Then one Maria said, Agbinina, Mona they try, they tell on our children, we are on our come from. Mona they try, they carry on our children, they go home. They show them, we are on our come from. Kebe mi soko will be bivlo. Emi soko bivlo, then I go to near ti full grand finish. Why them munye robe mono ken what a wound one adopt by now. Now because they make the children they face different challenges, different problems. When they tell our children how na the package for our family, how na they do for our son, how na they do for our Allah, so that when the time comes, the children not go there javu. They're not going to look at the things fear like us because our child is a bad. I say what it say. Boy.